napping, coffee in a chip blue cup, steam on the window, my hands wrapped around the heat. Street smells like wet stone, puddles holding scraps of sky. Your coat on the back of the chair, still waiting for you. The quiet after the rain has gone feels like the first deep breath all day. All the mess we made just runs along down the gutter, washes away. Quiet after the rain has gone makes room for us to stay. Bent old umbrella leaning by the crooked door, news on the counter, screen still shouting yesterday. You laugh from the hallway, hair a little out of place. Water prints your footprints leading back my way. The quiet after the rain has gone feels like the first deep breath all day. All the mess we made just runs along down the gutter, washes away. The quiet after the rain has gone makes room for us to stay. We said too much, then not enough. Words stuck like leaves in the drain. Now every soft drip in the silence sounds like your name, your name. Windows open, curtains breathe and billow wide. Sky breaks golden, every shadow changing sides. You touch my shoulder like we're learning how to speak. Without the thunder, without the need to shout or plead. The quiet after the rain has gone feels like the first deep breath all